Now today we are going to discuss this fourth question number 4 of exercise 11.5. One by one we will discuss these both questions, fourth A and B part, and after that we will fill this table and then question will be completed. Now let's see how to do this fourth A and B parts. Now this is fourth A part, m plus 10. Now you know that by putting one by one all the values, we have to put this in the table and then we have to write the answers one by one. So m, and then we have to find the solution of the given equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Now values are given like this. If first value is if m is equal to 1. If m is equal to 1, then m plus 10 is equal to 1 plus 10. Then it is 11. If m is equal to 2, then it is m plus 10. So 2 plus 10, it is 12. If m equal 3, then m plus 10 is 3 plus 10, then it is 13. Now if m equal 4, then m plus 10 will be 4 plus 10, then it is 14. If m equal 5, then m plus 10, it is equal to 5 plus 10, it is equal to 15. If m equal 6, then m plus 10 is equal to 6 plus 10, which is equal to 16. Now here you can see that for the value m equals 6, m plus 10 is 16. Hence, m is equal to 10 is the m is equal to 6 is the solution of m plus 10 equals 16. M equals 6 is the solution. Now here we got the solution m is equal to 6 is the solution of the equation, but further values should also be used, like if m is equal to 7, then m plus 7, m plus 10 will be 7 plus 10, then it is 17. If m equal 8, then it is m plus 10, it is 8 plus 10, then it is 18. If m equal 9, then m plus 10 is 9 plus 10, it is 19. Now for more, now if m equal 10, then m plus 10 is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now if m equal 11, then m plus 10 is 11 plus 10, then it is 21. If m equal 12, then m plus 10 is 12 plus 10 and it is 22. and the last one we can put, if m equal 13, then m plus 10 is 13 plus 10, it is 23. Now we will put these values one by one in the table and complete the table. Now we are filling this table and one by one we will fill this. For the value 1 we got 11. For the value 2 we got 12. For the value 3 we got 13. For the value 4 we got 14. For the value 5 we got 15. For the value 6 we got 16. For the value 7 we got 17. Now we will fill more. For the value 8 we got 18. For the value 9 we got 19. For the value 10 we got 20. Then we put 11, 12 and 13 values. Then we got 21, 22 and 23. In this way we will fill this table. Now this is fourth B part. Equation is 5t equal 35. Now we will put values again as same as we have put in the question number 5. Now if t is equal to 3, then 5t is equal to 5 multiplied 3, it is 15. If t is equal to 4, then 5t is equal to 5 multiplied 4, it is 5 4 the 20. If t is equal to 5, then 5t is equal to 5 5 the 25. Now we will put more values. If t equals to 6, then 5t is equal to 5 6 the 30. Now if t is equal to 7, then 5t is equal to 5 into 7, it is 35. Now here you can see when t is equal to 7, then answer is 35. Hence t equals 7 is the solution. Now for filling the table we have to put more values. So we will put more values. If t equals to 8, then 5t is equal to 5 into 8, it is 40. 5 8 is 40. Then if t is equal to 9, then 5t is equal to 5 9 is 45. If t is equal to 10, then 5t is equal to 5 10s are 50. If t is equal to 11, then 5t is equal to 5 into 11, then it is 55. If t is equal to 12, then 5t is equal to 5 into 12, it is 12 5s are 60. Now if t is equal to 13, then 5t is equal to 5 into 13, it is 65. If t is equal to 14, then 5t is equal to 5 into 14, it is 70. If t is equal to 15, then 5t is equal to 5 into 15, it is 75. Now if t is equal to 16, then 5t is equal to 5 into 16, or 16 5s are 80. Now we will put these values in the given table one by one. Now in this B part we will fill one by one. When t is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now one by one we will fill values. When t is 3, then it is 15. When it is 4, then it is 20. When it is 5, then it is 25. When it is 6, then it is 30. When it is 7, then it is 35. When it is 8, then it is 40. Then 9, then it is 45. Then it is 50 in 10, and 11 55. Now we know that this is the solution. When the value is 7, then the answer is 35. We will fill this left table. After 11, we have taken value as 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. For 12 answer is 60, for 13 answer is 65, for 14 answer is 70, for 15 answer is 75, and for 16 answer is 80.